Today's our topic cable tray installation. It is the plan view of a corridor in a residential building, and when we view from this area to here, we got a section like this, and what type of cable trays we are installing, and what is the height of the cable tray, and different specification of the C channel thread rod, and why we need to use the factory made accessories for the cable tray, and for the install of the cable tray, coordination drawing required or not, and many other things I have been discussing in this video. If you want to see the full video of this, please click the link below. Thanks for watching.